Ay. ¿Qué tiene esta cama? $6 a.m. day 65. I can't take it no more, so I'm gonna try to run by some checkpoints and see if we can go fishing. In this video, we're gonna check out an exquisite Snook Ceviche recipe. Also, we're gonna put 2 bait casting reels to the test, a newer one and another one that I'm pretty sure is 4 decades old. Los nuevecitos, mira. Ese es... Sí. Aquí mismo, está aquí mismo. No, él se está llevando algo de freno.
Dale que se la lleve. Métela la caña. Métele la mano, agarra, se lo vaya hasta las patas.
Ahí está agarradito, pero a penita, weón. ¡Oh! ¡Qué duro! Oh, buen robalito, ¿ah?
Está bonito.
This 6-pound snook we fished out with the Noebi baitcaster, 17.5 pounds of drag, 11 bearings, and a speed of 7.1 to 1. It actually stood up pretty well to the snook challenge. O sea, qué buena, loco.
Yo lo vi salir de la mata, ¿tú lo viste?
Our buddy Eliezer caught this beautiful peacock bass that we calculate was between 5 and 6 pounds. The following day, we tested out the Daiwa Procaster reel, a relic that is easily between 35 and 40 years old. It's a gift from my stepfather. With a speed of 5.1 to 1, it actually surprised me how well you can handle it.
Yo quería probarla.
Our buddy Dorian caught this snook, which was the missing element to the ceviche. Many might already have the knowledge of filleting a fish, but here we can see Dorian's technique. Even I learned how to fillet a snook very quickly and easily. Two juicy white meat fillets that would later be passed through the sanitation process and ready to be chopped for the ceviche. Obviously, all the ingredients from the beginning of the video were put to marinate from the night before. The only thing that was missing was the snook. And now, the moment of truth. Guys, this recipe of yours is killing me. Recommended 100%. honestly, I needed to go out and enjoy the fresh air.
Dame una cerveza y... Ahí viene el mío.
If these 65 days in captivity have taught us something, it's to value the things that we have and never forget the most important things in life: our family, our friends, our health, and our freedom. Value every single day that God gives you. Remember to thank Him that you and your family are still alive.